Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another tutorial on tribal braids. So I'm just combing her hair out to seal the length, and as you can see, her hair in the back is so short, so it's not even up to 4 inches long. Normally the regular inches for braid has to be at least about 3 inches. So if it's less than 3 inches, then you have to really grab it with your fingernails, and still it's not guaranteed, or it's not gonna slip out. So if you want, you can use the rubber band method, and if not, depending on the style, you can just gel the back down, and all the braids that you did is gonna cover it up. So for this style, I will be doing the box braid in the back, and then the feeding braids on top of it. So stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment down below. Thank you so much. And also, when doing box braid, you want to make sure you're braiding it tight, so it's neater, and it's also makes it last longer, so it's not looking frizzy after couple of days. So you want to make sure it's tight all the way to the bottom. So make sure you're not braiding it loose. So I'm done with the box braid in the back, so I'm just gonna start the feeding braids on top. So we're trying to achieve a medium tribal braid. So she showed me a picture of the style she wants, so I'm just trying to imitate the same parting and everything. So I'm parting the front in like a curvy shape. So I'm just gonna take my shine and jam and just apply it on the part, and I'm gonna part it again to have that neat and defined look. And all the products I use for this tutorial will be included in the description button down below, so please check that out, guys. So as you can see, I'm braiding with a natural hair first before adding the extension hair to prevent baby hair from breakage after taking the braids out. So it also reduces the tension on the edges. So you're gonna start braiding with the natural hair first before you have the extension hair. So when you are done with the one braid in the middle, you're just gonna keep following the shape of the parting in the middle. So as you can see, our hair in the edges is also very short, so I'm making sure to use my finger nails to grip the hair. That way it's not sliding out. So don't be afraid to ask your client to hold on to the hair to secure it so it's not moving, and also to reduce the tension on their edges as well. So after parting the hair, you want to make sure you're combing it out. That way it's not too slicky for you to braid. And as you can see, I had it here at the tips, that way it's not looking too skinny. And you're just gonna keep repeating the same process until you get to the ends of the parting. And also I see a lot of comments asking how and when to know when to stop parting hair. I think the best way is to have the size you want in mind. So for this style, I'm doing like a small medium size. So also to make sure you're comparing the braids with the other ones you've done before. That way you know when to stop adding hair. So as you can see, I'm done with the left side, and I'm just gonna start the right side of her hair. So I'm just gonna follow the same process, like follow the line of the parting. So the braids will fall according to the parting in the middle of her hair, if that makes sense. And when you're done braiding, you're just gonna add your mousse and dip in hot water. And here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you do, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, please share with your friends and family, and also leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this look. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.